So Bitcoin is bouncing back. The entire crypto market, the trend seems to be reversing towards yet another bull market, and this time it's going to make some new records. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Desk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency research, investing, daily news updates, and forecasts. My name is Syed, and we are going to talk about the differences between fiat versus crypto, or rather the battle between fiat money versus cryptocurrency. So any effective form of money must act as a medium of exchange, store of value, and unit of account. These are the three key factors, and we are going to explore in depth all of these three factors. Both fiat money and cryptocurrency deliver this utility, but are different in a number of key ways. Fiat money is a legal tender whose value is tied to a government-issued currency like the US dollar, while cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is a digital asset that derives its value from its native blockchain. So basically, the issuance and governance of fiat currency are dictated by the central banks, while blockchain protocols, code, and communities govern cryptocurrency. So it's really the people versus the government, right? That's what it seems like. The distribution of the fiat requires intermediaries like exchanges, for example, while cryptocurrency relies on distributed and decentralized networks to enable trustless transactions. So on one hand, we have the banks, the other hand, we have the crypto or the blockchain. So we are going to take a look at more in depth about all of these three factors that I talked about: the utility of money, for example, and the other one was unit of account, and then the store of value. And we'll see whether it's fiat versus crypto, right? That's really the battle, because we see recently in Elon Musk's update where he talks about, and he says that he supports crypto in the battle with fiat money. And that's what he's looking for. So the CEO of Tesla, on one of his tweets on Saturday, right? That's what he said: battle between fiat and cryptocurrencies, and he would support with crypto. Being a progressive, visionary entrepreneur, that's really what this is all about. So he quoted, "The true battle between fiat and crypto. On the balance, I support the latter." That's what he said on Twitter in a reply to a user who asked him what his thoughts were about people who were angry at him because of crypto. So the bottom line is, of course, people like Elon Musk and many other, still a small community, right? A little over 100 million users of crypto, but strong, powerful community in the making. The crypto industry was 600 billion back in February, but now it's almost $3 trillion moving forward. And that's really what the battle is all about. But let's explore the three factors, like what determines whether cryptocurrency is in fact money, right? How do we actually know? Because fiat currencies, of course, is backed by the government. For example, the US dollar is backed by the US government, or gold as the behind motivating factor or the asset. But in cryptocurrency, what determines whether cryptocurrencies is in fact money? It all comes down to, of course, the three criteria. First, the utility of money. And that's what we're going to take a look at first. So all effective forms of money must act as a store of value, medium of exchange, and unit of account, right? Without fulfilling these requirements, money cannot achieve scalable utility. So the store of value, what does that all mean? All forms of money must act as a store of value. So for example, there must be a widespread confidence that money will retain its value. For example, when a company issues let's say a $100 invoice to a customer, it must be confident that $100 has virtually the same value 30 days out. Without value stability, there is no incentive to use something as money, as a risk of devaluation is too high. So that's really the store of value, right? So $100 given today is the same as a month later. Of course, not counting the future value of money and all, but just all things being pretty much the same. The second is medium of exchange. So money must be a widely accepted form of payment. Both sides in a transaction must share the perception of value. For example, let's say someone offers to pay a babysitter in Monopoly money. Because Monopoly money has no perceived value, it wouldn't make sense, would it? So let's explore some more examples. Dogecoin, for example, is a cryptocurrency and it's certainly a medium of exchange. Many enterprise organizations, retail stores, companies are actually using Dogecoin as a medium of exchange, as a currency to buy and sell. And we've seen many examples for Dogecoin. So Doge definitely is a currency, right? It has a value. And of course, it grows over time or it decreases depending on how people use it, right? So as a store of value, it must be a widespread confidence that the money will retain its value. And that's really the stability of Dogecoin comes into play with this inflationary design and of course with theoretically unlimited supply and so on, right? That's really an example of cryptocurrency. And of course, we know fiat is, of course, fiat, which is a dollar is a dollar. And many cryptocurrencies are also pegged to a dollar. For example, USD coin, you'll notice here at rank number 9, is also pegged to a dollar. So it'll remain around about $1 no matter what. And that's really is the cryptocurrency which the payment giant or the credit card giant Visa has tested on the Ethereum blockchain. So that's the USD coin tied or will be used by the Visa credit card, all right, by the end of the year. And that's really what the crypto USD coin is all about. So the point is, of course, let's get back to our discussion on fiat versus cryptocurrency. So it seems like cryptocurrencies are tying themselves up with fiat currency in one way, and on the other hand, they're really becoming a competitor because it's easy to transact and it's not regulated. It's not, backed up by any government. I'm talking about cryptocurrency, of course, like Dogecoin, SafeMoon, and that's what people are looking to do because it's really the value. Now, the third thing, which is important, right? So the first thing was medium of exchange. Of course, the second was unit of account, and that's really an important aspect, right? So let's take a look at what the unit of account was. Well, first one was store of value, and then, of course, the second was medium of exchange, and third factor was a unit of account. So to function as a unit of account, money must be able to price financial transactions by effectively denominating the value of different products and services, perhaps, in relation to each other. So say, for example, let's say $1,000 mattress is more valuable than a $50, pair of shoes. So with fiat currency, monetary policy by banks is used to manage the value of each currency in relation to others. So for example, when you print money, when the government prints money or adjusts the interest rates for borrowing, governments try to raise or lower the value of the dollar or the fiat currency. The value of each crypto unit depends on prevailing crypto market prices. So to be a valid unit of account, each unit of money must also be divisible, right? So for example, a dollar can be broken down into quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. Cryptocurrency is particularly well suited towards divisibility because it is digital in nature, it's software. For example, Bitcoin is divisible into units as small as one Satoshi, right? Which is 100 millionth of a single Bitcoin. So pretty much from this short analysis, we know that fiat and cryptocurrency both are valid cryptocurrencies, both have medium of exchange, store of value, and of course, unit of account. Now, what is the threat to, or what is the edge of cryptocurrency over fiat money? Well, first, it's unregulated because it's community-based. It's people behind the cryptocurrency. It's not issued by a central bank or it's not governed by any organization anywhere in the world. Second, you can transact, you can send and receive cryptocurrency from anywhere in the globe in a matter of seconds. It's more secure than the banking channels, perhaps. And of course, that's why people are jumping in the cryptocurrency world. So by far, and as the blockchain or these cryptocurrencies develop over time, certainly fiat money goes away, because fiat money is just a standard sort of like fixed type of currency, whereas crypto is just dynamic. And the way it's evolving, the way things are moving forward, the adoption rate of crypto is exponential. And not only, in the US, for example, in other parts of the world, cryptocurrency is gaining huge momentum as it moves forward in time. Of course, there's certain volatility attached to it. If you look at the disadvantages of cryptocurrency, there's of course trading, there are pumps and dumps, there could be many scams because it is relatively new and people are still exploring or trying to understand what cryptocurrency is all about and how to go about using it. So once this phase matures, or the crypto market matures into mainstream and gets mainstream adoption, that's exactly when we are going to experience and see the true power of cryptocurrency. I hope this helps. Let me know in comments what you think, which is more powerful, fiat currency or fiat money or the cryptocurrency. And of course, InvestDesk is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency research, daily news, updates, and forecasts. My name is Syed. Please like, comment, and of course subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.